How I'm Feeling Now is the fourth studio album by English singer and songwriter Charli XCX, released on 15 May 2020. The album is a do-it-yourself collaborative process with Charli XCX involving her fans in the recording process. The recording and title were inspired by the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. In April, A.G. Cook and BJ Burton were named as the album's executive producers. How I'm Feeling Now was preceded by the singles Forever, Claws and I Finally Understand, which were met with positive reviews from critics and fans alike. On 13 September 2019, Charli XCX released her third studio album Charli. To celebrate the one-month anniversary of Charli XCX announced that the album would not receive a deluxe edition and that she already began work on a new project. Soon after, on 24 November 2019, Charli XCX announced on Twitter that she was planning to record two new albums in 2020, with plans to release both by 2021. On 18 March 2020, in response to the coronavirus pandemic, Charli XCX began a self-isolating livestream series featuring artists such as Diplo, Clyro, and Rita Ora. On 6 April 2020, Charli XCX announced through a public Zoom call with fans that she would be working on a new album in self-isolation, with the tentative title How I'm Feeling Now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.